Good morning. I'm Danielle Wiggins with your 3 News Now morning update on this Friday, December 3rd. Boy, it is a big weekend with a number of holiday events planned across the area. So let's start by getting a check of our weekend weather with Matt Wentz.
Thanks a lot, Danielle. Happy Friday to you. Happy Friday, everybody. Storm system to watch. We got a little rain, snow today. Saturday is quiet. Let's fast forward to the weekend. Big old area low pressure expected to develop out in the northern plain states. That will bring a pretty decent dose of rain through here late in the day, Sunday through Sunday night. We turn colder and snowier on Monday, and then another system to watch could bring some accumulating snow around here on Wednesday. So certainly a little bit more active next week as we get into the forecast. Union Home Mortgage 7-day. Notice the uptick. Saturday looks good if you have weekend plans. There's the downfall on Monday and Tuesday. And then a little bit of snow around here on Wednesday. We'll have to keep our eye on that system. But overall, an active pattern. The ups and downs of December continue. Danielle?
Thank you, Matt. Now to that big spike in COVID cases here in Ohio. The state reported 9,131 new cases on Thursday. The state's health department says Northeast Ohio is seeing the highest number of hospitalizations across the state. UH says their bed capacity is limited and is already predicting December will be the worst month since the pandemic began.
Community hospitals with up to 50% of the patients having COVID. Our intensive care units, 20% COVID positive patients. We're seeing a lot of spiking going on at once, and the hospitals are full, emergency rooms are full, and it's a tough time.
The Cleveland Clinic is seeing similar spikes even from just a month ago. Back then, they had 319 COVID patients in Ohio, 94 in the ICU. This month, it nearly doubled to 630 and 166 in the ICU. Both the clinic and UH say the majority of these cases are unvaccinated patients. As of now, Ohio has not detected any cases of the new variant Omicron. That said, Ohio health leaders are urging those who test positive for COVID-19 to take a PCR test to track the Omicron variant. Delta is still the dominant variant in Ohio, but the state is trying to get ahead of the new strain. The health department says the PCR test can go through genomic sequencing to track the variant, while at-home tests, the rapid tests, cannot.
If it were present in any substantial manner, we would be detecting it. What we're seeing right now, today in the state, is being driven by the Delta variant and various slight variations.
Experts continue to stress that the vaccine is your best defense. Okay, but both university hospitals and the Cleveland Clinic will allow unvaccinated workers to remain on the job, reversing an earlier decision by both hospitals. This comes as a federal mandate requiring unvaccinated workers to lose their jobs after January 4th is being challenged in court. And now to the struggle with staffing in schools. And this morning, the Euclid City School District says its elementary and middle school will temporarily switch to virtual learning because of staff members calling out sick. Okay, now let's turn to some happy news this Friday. So how about a local surgeon getting national attention? For 3 decades, Dr. Bob Perry has been drawing colorful characters and turns them into custom bandages to help kids get through the anxiety of surgery. Later today, he's going to be on the Kelly Clarkson Show to tell his story.
My idea originally, we're always training in the early 90s. Bethesda Naval Hospital, one of my mentors in pediatric surgery, he used to cut out sharks for boys and hearts for girls. The kids just loved it. You could see they really enjoyed it. And as I went on in my practice, went out into, through fellowship, I was actually out in Los Angeles there and kept going, did more and more drawings, and it just kind of took off from there.
And you can hear more from the doctor on the Kelly Clarkson Show at 11 right here on WKYC. That is 11 a.m. Okay, finally, we end with 3 things happening in Cleveland. First, there's a tribute concert honoring the late Michael Stanley. Tonight will be the first of 3 nights at MGM Northfield Park. The event is at 8 p.m. but is sold out. The concert's actually sold out faster than any concert in the history of the venue. The tribute concert will feature songs spanning Stanley's 5-decade career. And today, ice skating returns to University Circle at the ice rink at Wade Oval. It's open today from 3 to 9 p.m., but the hours vary by day. They have skates available to rent, or you can bring your own. You can also warm up with a cup of hot cocoa from the concession stand. The rink at Wade Oval will be open through February. Okay, calling all dinosaur lovers and explorers. The nation's largest dino exhibit is coming to Cleveland. Jurassic Quest features more than 100 lifelike dinosaurs and theme rides, live shows, play areas, and much more. The exhibit will be at the Huntington Convention Center through Sunday. You can get tickets online or at the door. Well, thank you for taking time to join me for this 3 News Now morning update. Our digital team will continue to bring you the stories making headlines around Northeast Ohio and beyond. Make sure you continue to check our social media pages and WKYC.com throughout the day. I'm Danielle Wiggins, and I'll see you tomorrow morning on Go, starting at 5 a.m. Have a great day, everybody, and keep on persevering.